How to turn off screenshot sound on your iPhone. So you can use one of these following method to troubleshoot your issue. First step is that you can mute your switch. Locate the mute switch which is on the left side of your phone above the volume up button. So there is a physical mute switch. You have to slide to the switch to mute on which where the orange will appear and the silent sound with the screenshot along with the other system sound. Also, you can use your volume control. Before taking a screenshot, you can use your volume on your iPhone to minimum using the volume button. So here you can see that you can have the two button which is volume up and down button on the left side of your iPhone. Then you can control it from here. So this will effectively silence the screenshot sound. Here you can see that if I will turn on this volume here and the shutter and the silent mode is off and the shutter sound will be happier here. So if I turn off my silent mode and if I minimize my sound volume here, so here you can see that. Before taking your screenshot, you have to lower your volume on your iPhone to minimum using the volume buttons. So this will effectively silence the screenshot sound. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.